Yes, where to? Out with the RC car like big kids. good fun to win it, Jimmy.
That's fucking Christ.
The car's got a, it's not really four-wheel drive, but it's only rear-wheel drive at the minute, so it's really hard to handle. Don't put full rev on, Jimmy. Drive normal. Spin that shit up. Everything in it's waterproof, by the way, guys. Doesn't mean to see you go in that big puddle over there.
Go in that big puddle?
Not that one. Fucking hell.
Woo! Try not to hit me though.
Yes. Jump edge. Send it. Fast, we're on the road, so it's coming along with it. Hopefully the cars come and wipe it out like.
This is a land speed record.
Oh, that's a long way.
Ah! Oh, there's a car.
I'll race it.
Race it. You lost, pet. Woohoo! Whoa! Can teach this guy how to drive like him. He's catching it! Oh, high speed run ended in disaster. What? Ian, the police just pulled back in while you're bombing around the road. Ian, look, the police just pulled in.
I know, the police pulled it up just waiting to come.
You might get told off for that, Ian. I don't know, we're gonna fin, dude.
I've just been racing cars in this car and the cops have just pulled in. Yeah, look good, work though.
Mate, that's robust, that, like, because that took a kick in there. I was doing like 45 miles an hour and it's just crashed into a rock.
Stuck on them.
Love on the rocks.
Promise this is the last bit of the cars you're going to see. You want to see me? There's another big car. There you wipe his hand feet out. Get up. It's me, you fucking spitting, you're gonna scratch me car. Me car! What you doing, mate? Chopping wood up. Boys in the wood. And I bought something as well, so it's going to transform my setup hopefully, so come along for a ride of that when I do it. So we're in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the next tip should be that. Guys and girls, and as you can see this, what the plan is, you can see this up there, you can see it from that side if you look in. So let me change that. Fucking watch this. Well, as you can fucking see, I didn't buy enough of the shit, and I bought a massive roll of that to be fucking 10 metres of it. Probably that's a big top, that was the 4x3 that, so could be that. Oh well, I'm just going to be doing with that now. At least half of it's fucking missing. Little game for you to see if you can spot Jamie. Reveal yourself, mate. You know the shit we do, like, we're fucking mad. Right folks, I'm back on the camera for, what did I say I was going to show you the last time?
Scran.
Did I see a scran, did I? I said I was going to, oh, there was a camo thing. Oh, right, I'm back on the camera now to show you this. Look at this, little food haul. Ribs at the top, chicken curry, tuna, obviously the rice is there for the chicken curry. I'll zoom out and just let you have a look. So hopefully we'll get all of that. Wait, that's just for me. We're still waiting on a special guest arriving, so when he comes, I'll get him on the camera. In the meantime, burning some shit. I've got that, I put that back behind the firewall, right, to hide it off the camera. And you can still see it. But food haul. Where I am, I've took the camo net down because I'm going to cover my bag with it tonight. Took half it down anyway. And I've just left the other half on there. Put it long ways a bit so it takes some of the edge of it away, you know what I mean? Where I see that and it's not even on the fucking edge. You get what I mean, guys. Right, and look at that down there. My one tiger's pillow made out of the pocket on the one tiger's hammock. Get up. Right, we'll get back to you when we'll just get back with you soon. I don't know why I keep saying that for. What I do, badoosh.
In your fucking.
Right when we're trying to do a shot of your axe, hold on. I didn't just pump.
Fire went up there when you did that.
Right, you want to show his new Scandi grind on his axe?
The new Scandinavian grind. It's a little bit sharp, like.
Do a demo. A demonstration. Watch them funny feelers, kid. I need to do a fucking 0.5 zoom out with you because you're never in the shot.
Because I'm too fast. I'm like fucking grease lightning, man.
Woo! Grease lightning. We got it overhead. Right, haven't been on the camera for a minute, but the special guest is on his way now, so we're gonna go into the lane 2 over here. And I'll get back with you when the guest gets here. The light is pretty bright in my eyes. Watch that stump down arm, mate. But I'll get back with you soon, badoosh. Fucking Marble, mate.
Marble, mate.
Put the light on that. Oop, can't see it much. She ain't putting the graft in the night for a change.
Fucking
And you're gonna see that there.
We've just got a little invader there.
Hmm?
We have an invader.
Where?
He's done.
Oh. Oh, and guess who's just turned up? It's Wildcamp Cook and the Philly! He's here! And guess what? He didn't do a Jamie. You must have watched the last video because he didn't walk all the way around to get here. Jamie walked all the way around to go out.
I did. I walked all the way around because I didn't have a torch.
Oh, did you? What, did you come in this way?
Aye.
I didn't fucking see you.
No.
Nah, you didn't watch the last video then, dickhead. Disappointing. Fit. Oh well, Philly's getting set up now. Putting his underquilt on, we've got his top up for him so he's all ready. Did start to rain before. That's just a tap behind your eye there, mate.
Yes.
Yeah, I've missed you, Phil.
And I'm glad I could get out. I was sitting there in John's, I was like, I'm fucking sick, I just want to go camping. I was like, I actually want to go camping.
Been waiting for you all fucking day. We've been sport, we'll have to be powering the RC car for you, so if you want to nip around and that. Right, to add some work as fucking stuff for that RC car was like, honestly, obviously you've seen the footage on the RC car. Right, so this one fucking hell. Wicked. Get back to us when you get set up. See you back. We haven't been camping with Fiddy for a couple of weeks and look what he's brought the boys. Fucking a legend. I'll just hit him in the head with it there. Cheers, boys.
Oh, let's get it.
Let's get them opened.
No, should I got one at the shop? Tinfoil, I pick up by the even ask people have
No, the tinfoil for the. I've got some ribs brought to cook and cook. Cheers, boys. Chin chin.
Full sound.
Jimmy, man, I need the light.
Oh.
Hello. Going back to the main camp from getting Philly set up. Look one. I'll turn the light off so you can see it properly. Phil, turn your heat torch off. Oh, look at the candle lit on the table. The old mushroom table over there. If you know, you know. Candle lit drinks. Let's fucking get it. But anyways, I'm not even looking at the right part of the camera I know. I'll see you soon.
Also, that's what you do, man. Stop pulling us down and start pulling us to the side. Exactly something.
Fucking switch dimensions.
Sitting on the fire. The boys chilling. Yeah? Singe. Oh, it smells nice, doesn't it?
No, not but normally when I was camping all the time, I had nothing to singe left on my hand, so that's why.
Look, me with me fucking left arm, there's literally no hair left on it.
Shaving it with a knife.
No, mine was literally off fire because I was camping on.
Is it like?
I want me to kick off.
I'm gonna thought now.
Hey, 2 in 1. Oh, they're fucking Abraham Lincoln them like fucking hell.
Oh shit! What the? What the fuck you been doing?
Shit Olympics. Is that an albino? I haven't got a thing about albinos, but I'm sure that's an albino fucking
Stop this.
I'm not. Look at the state of that.
What do you mean the state of it?
It's wicked.
Poisonous.
It's 100% totally wickedness, innit?
Totally poisonous.
Oh, it is poisonous, like. I can hear it fucking hissing and that.
I can hear it saying I'm gonna poison you.
No, but who? That looks mad, that.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Move it, Boogie.
It'll release poison into your pores.
Albinos all over. for these ribs, ladies and gents. What an idiot, I didn't even realise there was a sachet of sauce in the fucking tub. Look at that, man.
Why are you not loving it?
Right folks, let's get these ribs off here and onto the plate if I can. Look at them bad boys.
Kick.
Right, I'm just threaded this sausage onto the stick. Fucking hell. What's wrong with that? You fucking mad. You mad eyes. They were just gonna cook the fucking stick in it. That's how you cook a sausage upside down. You tap. What's that? Fuck.
Reminds me of Phil.
Looks like a monkey's willy. Fucking sausage and stick. I bet it's still nice though. Oh, look at that on the stick. Oh, they're all laughing. They're not laughing now, are they?
Oh, because you're just cooking the stick now.
Why I? Subscribe for more pumps.
I can subscribe for more flatulations.
Sausage fell in the fire.
Swim him!
Oh, fuck's sake.
I could help him.
Oh, it's fucked. I'm not getting none of this. Oh, fucking hell. I swear out like. Your fucking nose been cooking off for fucking ages. Trying again.
What today's
It's got a slice there. If it falls off, like that's a slice when I open the packet.
Sausage, smoked sausage.
Like fucking hell. I'm cooking this with a sausage. In the incinerator. Doesn't want to fall off like fucking sausage on a stick. What a dick. Just put me with a sausage on a stick.
That's what we call them.
Hot. I like it. It's nice. Right, I think I'm going to chill around the fire with the boys now for a little bit and get the rest of these bottles down before we hit the fucking here. So, from me, I will see you soon.
In a bloat.
In a bloat.
Halfway the same.
I'll get back with you, for you it'll be just in a second, but for us it'll be a little while later, so if I don't get back before, I'll see you in the morning. So see you soon guys, badoosh. Oh, and by the way, just know that we'll cook all the food up nowadays. It's really late at that time, so I'll catch you in the morning. Good night, folks. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I've not long woke up there, still asleep. Feeling a bit rough after the night, like here last night. Just been slowly packing stuff away. So I haven't got a day to come here. Oh, Philly's getting up. Philly's up! I just took all my main shit down because I didn't need it up. And I'm going to jump back in bed for about half an hour or something. And just chill. Because it's really early in the morning. And I just can't sleep. Sleep. It's a nice morning, I'll tell you that. I'll get back with it in a bit. See you soon. Right, this is where I was, folks. Just a clean area. There's the firewall there. Phil's packing the rest of his shit away. There's a bottle for the bin there. Not much to say, but thanks for watching all the way at the end, and like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bidoosh. Someone forgot the tent. Pick it up. Spoon. I've just come back to this building because Jimmy didn't want to come in before because there's people like walking past that. But honestly, folks, it's fucking mint. You could stop in here, you know. You're probably right, could you? Do a stealth in here. That's on the cards for a video. Like if you want to see a stealth camp in here in the future, give us a shout and we'll see what we can do without getting caught.